Okay, so you have a word part practice that you are doing. I'm going to show you how to do it just in case you need a little bit extra help. So the steps to doing the word parts is you want to break up the words into parts with a hyphen or a slash, whatever you call it. So the word example that I'm going to do is abiotic. So this is our first step, break it up. Second step would be find the definition of the word parts. So we have bio, which means life, a or an, which means not or without, and ick means pertaining to. And then my third step is to use all of these different definitions of the word parts and put it together to try to create something that makes sense. And then, of course, to write it down on your EQ tracker space. So the first word I have is abiotic. So A is one part of it, which I can see right here, bio, and then tick. And then, so if I'm looking at this, the key thing is that I can rearrange these different definitions however I need to make it make sense. So life not pertaining to, or life without pertaining to. So pertaining to means relating to something. So relating to something, I feel like would start first without life. So basically, what it is saying, it is pertaining to something without life, so something that is not living. And of course, you can rearrange it whatever makes sense to you. I have a very basic definition, which is that something that is not alive because it's pertaining to something not living. Okay, so if you go back to your word part practice right here, you'll see that at the top of it, you have all of the different roots and the different roots, and it's broken down. So there's the meanings as well. I have an example for you right here as well. Bio means life. Logy means science of. So putting that together, again, it doesn't have to go in order of how the word starts. So it is the science of life. So what you are going to do is you are going to do your best to take these different definitions and create your own definition for the bigger words. Do not look up the words on the dictionary because it sounds really, well, I'll know because it's very, very obvious. Just do your best to use these different parts because it's a really good skill to have, and it's something that we're going to use throughout this class.